Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to set or add a profile picture on your Meesho account. To do so, first of all, launch the Meesho app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. After logging in, from the home page, tap on your username or your profile picture at the top left. This will take you to the Accounts tab. Now click on your name once again. Now on the next page where it says Edit Profile Information, tap on Add Picture at the top. You have two options when it comes to adding a profile picture. If you tap on Camera, you'll need to take a picture from your device's camera. If you want to upload an existing photo, tap on Library. Now select a profile picture you'd like to add for your account. And once you do that, your profile picture will be added in a few seconds. To save the change, tap on Save at the bottom. And there you have successfully set or added a profile picture in Meesho. You can always change the profile picture when needed by coming to this page and tapping on Change Picture and repeating the step. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.